Good evening, children. Welcome back once again for our class. As I was continuously explaining about this particular chapter, Alice in Wonderland, today I will take page number 21. Page number 21. I had explained earlier the other pages. So I will continue now. This particular girl called Alice is wandering in that particular room. She is amazed. She is totally wondering that what to do at this juncture, at this point of time. So, just second last paragraph, you see, page number 21. Come, there's no use in crying like that. See, she is telling to herself, she has gone to bring the key, but she did not get that particular key which she had kept on the table. And then, after that, she has been there and she is telling to herself, it is useless to cry here. So, she wants to console herself. Come, there's no use in crying like that, said Alice to herself, rather sharply. I advise you to leave off this minute. So the writer himself is telling this particular girl to leave that particular place. Soon her eyes fell on a little glass box that was lying under the table. She saw a box under the table. Now she is very curious to find out what is there in the box. She opened it and found in it a very small cake on which the word "Eat Me" were beautifully marked in currants. So, what was written "Eat Me"? See, eat. It was written in capital letter "Eat Me." Now, in the beginning, she found a key. After that, she found a bottle of drinks. And then now, she has found out a cake. Eat Me is a cake. Now, it says, eat me. So, there is a type of temptation for this particular girl called Alice. Well, next paragraph you see. Well, I will eat it, said Alice. And if it makes me grow longer. What is her thinking? She has gone to bring the key. She is not able to reach up to the table. So she thinks, if I eat this particular cake, who knows, I can become bigger. I can become taller. Next time, I can reach the key. If it makes me grow smaller, I can creep under the door. So either way, I will get into the garden, and I don't care which happens. So she thinks that whether to eat this particular cake. If I eat, I can become bigger, and if I can become bigger, I can get the key. If I become smaller, I can go through that narrow door. So that is the thinking this particular girl is having in her mind. Okay. Next page, please turn page number 22. She ate a little bit and said anxiously to herself, which way? Which way? Holding her hand on the top of her forehead to feel which way it was growing. And she was quite surprised to find that she remained the same size. No, so this particular girl has not even grown. She is in the same size. She is in the same size. Now she is totally confused. She said, which way to go? I do not know. After eating this particular cake, neither she has grown nor she has become smaller. She has been in the same height. She is totally confused. She is confused. Which way to go? She is very anxious. She is very confused, totally anxious. She is anxious or anxiously, she is anxiously asked, telling she is very, here it is nervously. She is very nervous and she is totally confused. Which way to go? She doesn't know. Okay. She is very nervous. And so now children, this particular girl is in that particular room. No idea where to go, which side to move. So, you see next line. And she was quite surprised to find that she remained the same size. To be sure, this generally happens when one eats cake. So children, we like to eat cake. So what happened to this particular girl called Alice? She ate that particular cake and she is totally confused. She is not able to go from there. She is not able to find out her own way. Next line. But Alice had got so much into the way of expecting nothing, but out of the way things to happen. Many strange things happen in her life. She, first of all, she was fully confused as she entered in the room. She opened the door, but she is not able to go into the beautiful place. She is totally wandering in that particular place. Okay. So, next line you see that it seemed quite dull and stupid for life to go on in the common way. So, she set to work and very soon finished off the cake. So what happened? She is totally confused. She is what to do. She doesn't know, and therefore she thinks herself that better to eat this particular cake and finish it off. So that is the idea she has. So children, how this particular girl, Alice, finds her way. It is totally a very adventurous task. It is, as I told you in the beginning, it is a risk-taking task. Similarly, this particular girl had in her own life. So, what happened here? She enters in that particular hole, in that particular big room, and then many things happens to her. So, she is in a dream land. She wants to go to that particular wonderland, and then only she can view that particular land, and fully to remain in that particular room itself is a wonderland for her. So children, I will continue my text. So thank you very much for today.